This is Anna Jenkins with Home Dream Realty and Property Management, and this is a shout out for Gary Wilson and his investor program. So I've actually known Gary for a while. I knew him before this started because we were in real estate coaching together, and he actually had wanted me to help him with his beta program when he first launched this, so we did. With Gary's help, we have actually grown our investor and property management business, and has definitely benefited us completely. So the main thing about Gary is that Gary's not on a clock. Gary is available anytime you need him. He actually will give you his personal cell phone number, and he wants to make sure that you are successful. His passion is actually teaching and helping people grow, and just knowing that through his help, somebody else was able to do much better in their life and their business and with all their dreams. So that's the main shout out I want to say. It's better to learn from those that have been there and have done it, rather than waste the time and energy and money by making those mistakes yourself. So that is what you get from Gary's program. He's actually going to save you time, money, and energy by being there for you, which allows you to grow faster and without limits. So check it out. You're not going to regret it.